There is something quietly magical about a spring morning, when the light feels softer and everything seems to wake gently. Today I am in Exton, a small village in Rutland, England's smallest county, and already it feels like stepping into another time. As I walk into the village, I'm surrounded by these warm honey-colored stone cottages, some with thatched roofs full of character. Exton has been here for centuries, its roots going back to medieval times and even earlier when small farming settlements first formed here. The name itself comes from an old meaning, a place where oxen were kept, a reminder of its deep agricultural past. And somehow you can still feel that history in the air. Walking through these narrow lanes, I notice the details: stone walls covered in ivy, flowers blooming quietly in small gardens, windows that have probably seen generations pass by. It's the kind of place people often call a chocolate box village, and standing here, it's easy to see why. At the heart of the village is a quiet green, once the center of daily life. Generations have passed through here, yet the village remains calm and unchanged. As I leave the village behind, the landscape begins to open up. Exton sits surrounded by farmland, rolling fields, and wide open skies. And now the road leads me into that openness. The path stretches far into the distance, almost disappearing into the horizon. I keep walking, slowly, taking in the space around me. There is something about these long country roads. They don't rush you, they invite you to slow down. On either side, wide green fields and sheep grazing peacefully. This land has always been shaped by farming, and even today, it still feels deeply connected to it. Everything moves at its own pace here, and somehow that pace feels just right. The path begins to rise gently, leading me further into the countryside. Fences line the way, guiding the path forward, while the sky above feels endless. And then a sudden burst of yellow, fields of rapeseed flowers, bright and glowing under the sun. Against the blue sky and endless green, the colors feel almost unreal. Spring fully alive. Each step feels lighter, like the walk itself has found its rhythm. At the top, I pause and look back. At the fields, the winding path, and the quiet village in the distance. Exton may be small, but it carries centuries of history, of people, land, and life moving together. And today, it offered something simple but meaningful. A moment to slow down, to breathe, to just be. And as I walk on, I take a little of that calm with me.